This InShot tool automatically removes awkward pauses and filler words in your videos. It's called AI Cut and it supports over 100 different languages like Portuguese, Arabic, Hindi, Vietnamese, Thai, and more. It detects filler words, pauses, and trims your clips in seconds with a touch of a button. Before editing, you have awkward long pauses like these that you'd have to remove manually, which makes it really time-consuming, especially if it's a long video. Press AI Cut, Start, and the tool will automatically detect your language, pauses, or filler words and remove them. To restore certain pauses, just press the Edit button and select the ones you'd like to keep. This InShot tool automatically removes awkward pauses. So instead of going through everything manually, your video is already tighter and cleaner. Trust me, this hack is going to save you so much time. Try it out and follow for more editing hacks like these. Like and subscribe to InShot's channel for weekly editing tricks.